Welcome to NaRvi Academy. In this video, I'm going to discuss about WHO. The first question is, what is WHO? The WHO stands for World Health Organization. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations which is responsible for the health of humanity in the world without any exception. But some of the reports show that the WHO is influenced by the countries in their favor. Now the second question is when the WHO was established. The WHO was established on 7th April 1948, and that's why the day 7th April is celebrated as World Health Day. The next question is, what are the objectives of the WHO? The WHO Constitution states its main objective as ensuring the main attainment by all people of the highest possible level of health. The WHO works worldwide to promote health and keep the world safe. Now let's discuss how the WHO works. For universal health coverage, WHO focus on primary health care to improve access to quality essential services. WHO work towards sustainable financing and financial protection. WHO improve access to essential medicines and health products. WHO train the health workforce and advise on labor policies. WHO support people's participation in national health policies. WHO improve monitoring data and information. Now for health emergencies, WHO prepare for emergencies by identifying, mitigating and managing risks. WHO prevent emergencies and support development of tools necessary during outbreaks. WHO detect and respond to acute health emergencies. WHO support delivery of essential health services in fragile settings. Now for health and well-being, WHO address social determinants. WHO promote intersectoral approaches for health. WHO prioritize health in all policies and healthy settings. Through the work, WHO address human capital across the life course, non-communicable diseases prevention, mental health promotion. WHO address climate change in small island developing states. WHO address antimicrobial resistance. WHO address elimination and eradication of high impact communicable diseases like COVID-19. The next question is, how many countries are members of the WHO? The WHO has 194 member states. All of the member states of the United Nations are also members of the WHO. The next question is, how the Director General of the WHO elected and for how many years does a Director General stays in that post? The Director General of the WHO is elected by the World Health Assembly, and a Director General is elected for a 5-year term, mostly in the month of May when the Assembly meets. The next question is, what is the World Health Assembly? The World Health Assembly is a forum through which the WHO is governed by its 194 member states, and it is composed of health ministers from the member states. Who are the Goodwill Ambassadors of the WHO? The WHO Goodwill Ambassadors are celebrities from different fields. They use their talent and fame to advocate for health and well-being. Where the headquarter of the WHO is situated? The headquarter of the WHO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. The WHO also had 6 regional offices and 150 field offices. The 6 regional offices are situated: one in Africa, Brazzaville, Republic of Congo; one in Europe, Copenhagen, Denmark; one in Southeast Asia, New Delhi, India; one in Eastern Mediterranean, Cairo, Egypt; one in Western Pacific, the Philippines; and one in America, Washington, D.C., the United States. Now the question is, who finances the WHO? The WHO is financed by contributions from the member states and outside individual donors. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is the biggest outside donor of the WHO. That's it for now. We will come back in the next video with a different topic. Till then, keep watching NaRvi Academy.